BitnappingTV.
Hello and welcome to BitnappingTV. My name is Bastian and today I'm going to bitnap some Windows stuff. Wow, who has thought of that? Well, maybe like we do, you also live in the interwebs and even though you back up your documents and stuff like that, you might want to back up also your stuff inside the browser, like in Firefox, like the bookmarks and the extensions you've installed and all the settings you've done and all that stuff. Well, there is a handy utility for that and it's called MozBackup. After you downloaded MozBackup from the website and installed it, you'll find MozBackup on your desktop. And what we are going to do now is we just, create a backup. We back up a profile, we select Mozilla Firefox, we select the default profile, that's the profile where all my stuff is in. Then we select a destination on the desktop, this is fine. And we could now even password protect the backup file. We don't want to do that. At the moment, you maybe want to do that to make sure that no one else can access your backups. And now we can select everything we want to back up. I just take everything and now I finish. Now let's say for some reason the computer crashes or the profile gets deleted for some reason and I start Firefox. And guess what? Whoa, that's not good. It starts from scratch and all of my stuff is gone. Well, MozBackup to the rescue. I just start it again, click next, and now I restore a profile. Once again I restore to Mozilla Firefox. I select the profile I want to restore to, select the file. You can have multiple of those files and you just select one, click next. Once again I select which ones to be re-imported and say yes. And now let's cross our fingers. Wow, it says it has installed extensions. This is a good sign. And as you can see, my Twitter extension, TwitterFox, is back. My bookmarks are back. Well, this is great. This is actually pretty great. And I've got all my stuff back. And MozBackup also works in other Mozilla products, like for example Thunderbird. And this is pretty handy. I would say that's it for MozBackup. I have to say, or we have to say, thanks to Rudi, who sent us all those great Windows tips you'll see in the next episodes. And, he did what you should do. If you have tips, or if you have small programs that you really like, or whatever, just email those tips to us, to ransom@bitnapping.tv, no matter whether they are on Mac OS X, Windows, Linux, on a web app or on an iPhone app, we cover it. So send them to the email address ransom@bitnapping.tv. That's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Be a bitnapper. Email your tips to ransom@bitnapping.tv.